Hi and welcome to the first video of my video series where we will deploy a containerized web application to a free IBM Cloud Kubernetes cluster. We will do that by focusing on getting started with continuous integration and continuous delivery using Tekton and Open Toolchain on IBM Cloud. That video provides you an overview of the hands-on tasks and the content of the tutorial called, you can see here, Develop a Kubernetes app by using Tekton delivery pipelines, which is available on IBM Cloud architecture. By the way, when you follow the tutorial in this video series, you don't need to install any additional CLI or API locally. We will use the Open Toolchain aligned to the DevOps practices and for sure the GitHub project of the tutorial with the web application and the needed definitions and configuration files for the Tekton pipeline. A little bit about Tekton. What is Tekton? Tekton is open source, vendor neutral, a Kubernetes native framework used to build, test and deploy applications. Tekton provides a set of shared components you can use to build your own CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery system. Tekton, the open source project, is managed by the Continuous Delivery Foundation. They want to improve software delivery with security and speed. At the end of the tutorial, we can just simply change the application source code and push that change to our repro. That push will trigger automatically the Tekton delivery pipeline, which builds the application container and deploys the container to the Kubernetes cluster. The easy out-of-the-box integration of Tekton Pipeline to the Open Toolchain provides us an easy consumable UI to run Tekton pipelines and also to examine Tekton pipelines. Here we reuse the Tekton YAML definitions, so that means we can see here the definitions directly when we click on that, which do come from the GitHub project that contains that YAML definitions and configurations we can learn from. And that project contains three files. One is for the pipeline, the other is for the concrete task with the steps and one listener. The Open Toolchain provides us easily access to see the execution results, as you can see here. Also the logs, and the definition, as I said before, and the configuration. In our example, we will see three major tasks with steps. The first task will build the container. The second will validate the container. That means we will do a vulnerability check with the IBM Cloud Container Registry. And the third task is about deploy the container to the Kubernetes cluster and provide us the URL where we can access the web application. So that was the first part of the overview. And now we want to dig a little bit more into what we will create inside IBM Cloud and how are the dependencies inside IBM Cloud. For that, we have outside the project. Later, we will access our web application from a browser. So here, we will create the IBM Cloud Kubernetes cluster. So that means here we have a free cluster with one worker node. Then we will use one namespace inside the IBM Cloud Container Registry. Here we will do our vulnerability scanning of our container. Then we will create a toolchain. The toolchain is an open architecture that helps us to integrate a set of tools to build, deploy and manage our applications related to the software development lifecycle. So that's for an easier understanding what the toolchain in common does. When we use the toolchain to do that, we first use the tool Git repro and issue tracking. That is about where is the code and about thinking what task are we going to do. So we will use as input here the GitHub project, and we will clone that project to internal IBM GitHub. We can use, we have, as far as I remember, 500 megabyte we can use for free. So we use that here. And the next is we will create a delivery pipeline private worker. That means we will configure here where we want to run our Tekton pipeline. Therefore, we know we have here our free Kubernetes cluster with that worker node. Here we will install the needed Tekton functionality. So, and with that, we have the needed things to set up the delivery pipeline itself. The delivery pipeline tool now knows, we configure that it knows that where to run the Tekton pipeline, yeah, with the delivery pipeline private worker, and it knows how to configure the Tekton pipeline, because here we get the configuration information direct from the GitHub project. So with that, we are ready to go to get a trigger from the GitHub project that somebody changed the source code. And with that, it starts the build task, for example, here. So the trigger happened here, Tekton knows with the listener. Yeah, okay, somebody has changed the source code in the GitHub project. And with the configuration inside our steps, we know how to work with that. That means we know how to clone the repro for the building, how to do the build, and what we are going to do with the build itself to create the container. And at the moment it is inside the container registry we can build the container and store the container. So that is what happens in that task. The next task is then we do the validation. We have the clone with the repo and so on, and then we do trigger the validation inside the container registry. Yeah, so we can verify, yeah, does our container has any vulnerabilities? Maybe then we will stop the deployment, for example. And the next is that we do the deployment. Yeah, with the information we have about the Kubernetes cluster and so on. Yeah, we have different variables as an input for that, and then we will deploy it. So that means we know where the container image lives, yeah, where it's be stored, and then we going to deploy first the container to a pod. The pod is running, and then we will define a service. That service also on the free Kubernetes cluster, and with all of that, yeah, getting the information, we can provide the URL how to access our Hello Tekton application. So that was now a more precise overview what we will do in the next steps with the hands-on tasks. And now I will show you what are the next videos. The next video is get started with the prerequisites. So we will set up the prerequisites. First, that means getting, for example, the IBM Cloud account, yeah, install the Kubernetes cluster, and then really how to do these configurations inside Toolchain. Yeah, that was the entire overview now. And next, we have the 2 videos. I hope that was useful for you, and not to forget, all needed information is below in the description. Just check it out, try it out, run the tutorial by yourself without the video, yeah, or maybe we will see us in the next video, and I say have fun and stay tuned watching the next video. Bye.